everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back again with a new video on how I do my knotless braids. Again, I do have more detailed videos tutorial about this hairstyle, and I'm going to have the link to those videos in my description box. So I'll be doing size small for my client, and as you can see, she does have a natural hair, but I'm going to show you how you can create your parts just so that it's very clean and nice. It just makes braiding it so easy to do. So first you make your line, and then you proceed to adding your edge control like you saw me like I did earlier, and you're going to go back again and part. So you're doing that, you're parting basically twice. You first do the rough one, basically the rough draft, and then you put your edge control, and then you go back again and just make sure that it's all looking good, and ignore the white thing. It's not really white. I think when you add products to your hair before your appointment, it does come out like that. That is the reason why some stylists will tell you do not add product when you're coming for your appointments. But sometimes we just forget to, and then we go and add. So as you can see, the white stuff is not even showing anymore, so you should be fine. But when your stylist mentions something like that, please listen to them, guys. So now we're going to start braiding, and this part is very critical. So you want to start with a very small piece, which you can see me inserting right now. Very small, and then that's how you proceed, and then after that you keep adding on, and that is how you can successfully secure the neck area of your client's hair, which is usually the softest, and which is really like the softest and very tender part of your client's hair. The rest of them, it's definitely easier to braid, but with this one, it's very critical, when you kind of have to use a really good edge control and just pay attention, and then just breeze through it. And that is how I do it. So and then you can just add edge control to your client's hair as you braid down. But yes, this is just a really quick tutorial. I do have a more detailed one, and I also have a link to those ones in my description box. And we are using a mixed color. This is the color 1B and color 2. That was how she wanted it. So she wanted it intertwined. So you can't really tell, but I guess that was what she wanted. But we used different colors, and I did the mid back for her. That was what I did for her, the mid back. And I used ruler braiding hair 24 inches, and that was how I was able to get the mid back. And yes, I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of my clients here, and that is how I was able to get this look. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and also please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.